Hey guys, nearly ending here, and today we're Monsters Season 2 part. Now, all those guys sleeping, but there's somebody who wants to come in the nest.
It's called Power plus Admin Pin plus Luck times 100, and it has 1,400 likes. 500 people are online right now, so let's test it out. You gotta be really good if you're gonna have this many players game, okay? Probably gonna be taken down with this amount of big time. At least I'm gonna get my YouTube channel.
Oh, what was that sound?
I'm ready to be amazed.
Oh, what the heck?
So far, so good.
Why would you do that, Michael?
That's
what I was gonna say.
What is my base? Oh wait, they're all IPO'd. Okay. This definitely looks modded. I can see a ton of different brain rot over here. And this uncanny Papel gives 999%. How do I buy you? I need to spend 160 Robux. Alright. Let's go place our metal down. Hello? I can't place it down. It's not working correctly. What about the demon lucky block? Oh my god. Can I open it? Of course. Another 160 Robux.
Don't worry guys, I'm back.
Scale. Well, what are we getting here?
Come here.
What is that? Don't tell me I just got a cactus penguin. He ain't even in my hand. I can't place him down. Okay. I'm gonna test the kick speed. I doubt it's even gonna work, but yo, you're kicking backwards, and I can't even kick right now. Am I bugged? Maybe I need to rejoin or something. Okay, here we go. Now I can actually place down my stuff. So we'll place down the cactus and the unpotty. It looks like it actually works now. I feel smooth. Kick? Oh, okay, this one actually does get another 160 Robux. So maybe it'll be better than the first game. Alright, here we go. 10x kick, boom. This thing better go to the front. I'm gonna be angry. Oh, what? Yo, I just kicked like 10 lucky blocks. What? Wait a second. Dude, I got 10 epic brain rots. Oh my god, I need to try this in the Celestial Zone. There's no tsunami behind me, and this guy looks really angry. Can I actually make it back? Oh my god, I just got millions and jillions. We're gonna see if the admin can actually locked. And I have another 480 Robux. Oh wait, but it says free unlock in 28 minutes. Okay, so if you just want to wait half an hour, then I guess you can get free admin, but let's see. Speed, I just want to max that out. 9999999. Money, just give me as much money as you possibly can. Oh, I have 1 SB. Now I have 100 OSX. And then here we go. I want to set you to the very max. I don't care if I break the game, I want to see it. Alright, boom. Look at my power, bro. It's just a line. Oh my god. Okay, is there anything else cool? What's fun with that? Sure. We'll do the stadium event. There we go. Oh wow. Soccer, I love it. But now we're gonna do the most powerful kick in the world. I'm gonna try and buy this meta tech meta just to see if it's good. I honestly highly doubt it, but let's see. Yeah, no, that's totally in the game. Okay, it's time for us to do the final kick. We're gonna try and launch it all the way to the end. I wanna see if I can even go past the wall, okay? Let's just make sure our speed and our power is fully maxed. Guys, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Here we go. 10x kick. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Alright, go to the moon for me. Come on. I'll give you a 10 out of 10. Oh! What? Wait, what? Really? What? Maybe we'll just set it to that much power. 10 DC. Does that work? No. Still landing in the epic zone. What about 10 trillion? Does that almost take me far enough into the celestial zone? No, it's still the epic. Okay. And here we go, guys. My final ratings are 7 out of 10 on the real scale. 3 out of 10 for the Robux because I just got a lot. It works well. I'm not trying to do is kind of really do that. I mean, hey, the games are going to get taken down.
Hey, look, it's a ladder.
If you guys want to watch more videos like this, click on this channel.
That's a good way to get back up. Okay, love me. What was that for? Oh. Get it.
Financial statements, there's a flag and the capture.
Okay, guys, I think I just have to swim on the ground. No, it's gonna explode, guys. That's the
I'm teaching my friend And at the end of this video, we'll release the most satisfying creations
did, but here is. I'm gonna make it sound too by the way, but here's a teaser for the next part.
Showing me how to do this. Well, I'm glad you asked because I'm